ask you, hi, you are and what's going on?
Hello, my name is Miriam Moctezuma and I'm the director of the Bellas Artes program, and we are having our annual Bellas Artes event where we have our gallery art exhibit.
And just tell me more about it.
The Bellas Artes program goes to 3 different locations here in Carpinteria. They're all low-income housing, and we do art workshops with them throughout the year, and then once a year around August we display their art, and we have a big event with food and mariachi and music, and we sell their artwork and then they get the money for it.
Well, what's the contact info? Is there a website? Or?
Yes, you can go to carpinteria.com.
Could you show me the art gallery?
Yes.
Let's see the art gallery. It'll also be a little more quiet in here, possibly. So tell me about this.
So here we have our very sort of bright colors wall that we have, along with our watermelon, because watermelons are very popular over the summer, and a lot of people like to buy the watermelons as well. Here we have sort of our animal, dog, wolf sort of wall. Here we have more of abstract artwork, but just they sort of all have a sort of look to them, and they go really well together. And if we go
one other spot.
Maybe this wall over here.
You even have a curse. He has a curse. She took off his glasses.
So
Hi,
in
kids.
here, hello.
How you doing? Nice to see you. Are these some of the artists?
Yes, they are all artists that participated this year, and some of them have sold their paintings this year as well.
Really? Can you each tell me your name? What's your name?
Yurette.
Yes, come closer so she can use your audio. What's your name?
Yurette.
And your name?
Sarai.
And your name?
Donna.
Your name?
Katie.
And your name?
Scarlett.
Nice. And what's your name?
Edgar.
Hey, Edgar. So, well, thank you. One more time, what are we at here?
We are in the Carpinteria Art Center at the Bellas Artes Gallery exhibit.
And your name is?
Miriam Moctezuma, and I'm the director of Bellas Artes.
And one more time, what's the contact info?
You can look at the website at carpbellasartes.com.
How do you spell that?
CarpBellasArtes.com.
Okay, thank you. Okay, bye, ladies.
Bye.
And guys.